Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. So yeah, for Chainlink here, I'd like to do a little bit of a change in the overall wave count here. It doesn't really have any main impact, but looked at the chart again and I found it a little bit, it would be a bit tidier, yeah, if we do it a little bit differently, so that this down here was a wave 3, it stays a wave 3. This up here though was the wave 4. We then came down in the wave 5 here that completed the overall correction. Yeah, that is at least what we can carefully assume. At the same time, I need to tell you that we cannot yet be very confident, because just compare this chart to, for example, the Ethereum chart, the Quant chart, the Matic chart. We just haven't seen enough price action yet to be leaning more towards a bullish scenario. I think we can give it the benefit of the doubt, but things are far from clear here. Yeah, so even less clear than if you look at the Matic chart, you can basically assume the low was in. That's just what you can assume, right? Until certain lows are taken out again. But here we are just moving sideways. We're just consolidating after a strong downtrend. Here it's nothing, no bullish signals yet, okay? So while we haven't gone lower anymore than 530 here, we still haven't really seen any bullish price action. Yeah, not a lot, or at least not enough. So there's a few things we need to talk about. One is, to be more bullish and more confident, we need to take out the 750 level. So a move above 750 will indicate rising prices, first of all the way up to 965, because there is just not a lot of support resistance here. I think we can go up quite quickly to that level if we break above 750. That is of course an opportunity. We can count this bullish. The bullish wave count I'm going to show you, and I will also tell you what needs to happen to make it work. That would be here, that after the wave 5, yeah, we moved up in a wave 1. We then came down in a wave 2 here. All of this was just an A, B, C correction. Here. A, B, C. So this was wave 2. And now we would be expecting a wave 3 to the upside. Target for that wave 3 based on the new wave count here is 924. Yeah, so just below that $9.65 target, or 960. However, how are we now getting on with that? Well, we can certainly, against the low of 568, assume that we are now going to go higher. So that means as long as we don't go below this level, we can focus on rising prices. We can give it the benefit of the doubt. But if we take out that level to the downside, then we have to flip bearish. Yeah, so very clear, because then the conditions for a bullish breakout are not met. Always for a certain scenario, certain conditions need to be achieved. In this scenario, we need to hold this level here because it is the wave 2 level. From here, we have probably started another wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down, and we would now be expecting the wave 3 within the wave 3. Okay, so we can put that onto the chart as well here as a wave 1. Then here, the wave 2. Next one would be the 3 to the upside. The wave 3 within the wave 3. Which target would we need to see for that? $9.17, which already tells you that if the wave 3 in green has to go here, the wave 3 in white will probably be higher. Okay, so we'll see. But this is what needs to happen. So first of all, we need to break above 685, this resistance level, then the 750 level, and then we can get here to that target for wave 3. Alternatively, we can look at all of this just as an Elliott wave triangle, okay, where we would eventually break to the downside. And that would be the bearish alternative. and that would mean we make another lower low, and that would become likely if we go below 570. Okay, and that's currently the situation here on the LINK chart. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.